We're unifying our version numbers across all our platforms. Our releases for the fall that will power us through the coming year, 2026, will be version 26. Today, we'll be taking you through all these, starting with iOS. iOS 26 is packed with intelligent experiences, meaningful improvements to the things you do every day, and a new design where we've also refreshed a number of system experiences and apps. The lock screen has been updated, with the time and controls now made of liquid glass. And swiping up to your home screen is even more delightful, with this beautiful glass edge and a new sense of responsiveness. We've crafted app icons from liquid glass. It makes them feel fresh while keeping them instantly identifiable. And it allows them to adapt. Whether you use dark mode or one of our entirely new styles, like our all-clear look. So you can see how we've made wallpapers more dynamic. I'll switch to my Photo Shuffle wallpaper. And watch as I switch images. The time now fluidly adapts to the available space. Its San Francisco typeface has been uniquely crafted to dynamically scale the weight, width, and height of each numeral in order to nestle into the scene. It also keeps the best part of my photo in view as new information comes in, like a message from a friend or an email from a colleague. With advanced computer vision techniques running on the neural engine, we generate a spatial scene from your 2D photos, creating a delightful 3D effect, bringing your favorite memories to life as you move your iPhone in your hand. I can tap here, and you'll see there's this gorgeous new way for artists to show off their album artwork. The animation interacts beautifully with the glass of the playback controls. With iOS 26, we're giving camera a new, more intuitive design. A simplified and streamlined design elevates the two capture modes that you use most, photo and video. And all the powerful features that you love in camera are just a tap away. For example, just swipe your finger left or right to reveal additional modes like cinematic mode or portrait mode. And a simple swipe up lets you easily reach all your settings like aspect ratio and timers. And it's easier to change formats. All the options become visible with a single tap. So you can quickly switch to 4K when you want to capture every detail. Many of you missed using tabs in the Photos app. Photos now features separate tabs for library and for collections, where you'll find your favorites, your albums, and easy access to search. And the stunning 3D effect that you saw in the lock screen is available in Photos. Web pages now flow edge to edge to the very bottom of the screen, enabling you to see more of the page. The tab bar has been redesigned to float above the web page and surfaces frequently used actions like search and refresh. With a tap, liquid glass controls fluidly reveal other actions. As you scroll, the tab bar dynamically shrinks to put your content front and center. These dynamic controls also look great in FaceTime. When on a call, your most important controls now float on the bottom right and seamlessly recede when you don't need them. We've also reimagined the FaceTime landing page. It's now a space that celebrates your closest relationships with beautiful, personalized contact posters. So that's a quick look at some of the ways the new design elevates your experiences.
The phone app is fundamental to the iPhone experience, so anything we can do to make it easier to use can have a big impact. This year, we're giving you the option to choose a new unified layout that brings together your favorites, recents, and voicemails, so your most used features are right at your fingertips without having to switch views. Your favorites stay front and center, so you can start a call with just a tap. Your recents and voicemails now appear in a single convenient list below, so you can easily scroll to see who reached out and what they said. And with Apple Intelligence, new voicemail summaries help surface the most important information. And at the bottom, your contacts and the keypad are still just a tap away. We're also introducing a new way to help eliminate distractions like unwanted calls, which can get in the way of picking up the important calls we're waiting for. Now, when you receive a call from an unknown number, call screening helps you quickly gauge whether it's something important or just another pesky telemarketer. Building on live voicemail, call screening automatically answers calls from unknown numbers, silently in the background. Once the caller shares their name and the reason for their call, your phone rings. And you can view their response and pick up or ignore.
Hi. No, hold on. I'll be down at the gate in a sec.
With Hold Assist, the phone app can keep your spot in line while you wait for a live agent. Next time you're stuck on hold, whether it's because you're changing your flight or dealing with utility bills, the phone app automatically detects hold music and asks if you want it to wait for you. When you tap hold, the music stops, but the call stays connected, so you can keep using your iPhone or even put it away and go about your daily routines. Don't worry. Once a live agent becomes available, we'll ring you to return to the call and let the agent know that you'll be there shortly. Messages provides a shared space to express ourselves with the people that are closest to us. This year, we're giving you an exciting new way to bring personality to those shared spaces with backgrounds. When you select a background, it appears for everyone in the conversation to enjoy. You have a variety of dynamic, built-in backgrounds to choose from, or select one of your own photos. And with Apple Intelligence, you can even generate your own backgrounds in Image Playground. Group chats are home to so many age-old questions, like, what weekend is everyone free? Instead of dealing with a flurry of responses, we're introducing a delightful way to visualize what the people want with polls. You can create a poll for anything. And with Apple Intelligence, Messages can detect when a poll might come in handy and suggest one. Like if someone asks, where should we stay for our annual trip? And when your more particular friends don't like the options, anyone in the group can contribute new ideas. Then watch as the votes roll in live. And groups are getting even better with Apple Cash. Now you can request, send, and receive Apple Cash to settle up on concert tickets or the dinner bill right from the group chat. We're also bringing a highly requested feature, typing indicators for your group chats, which lets you know who is about to chime in. We can't wait to bring you these exciting updates to group chats. We're bringing screening tools to Messages that help you eliminate distractions. New on-device spam detection gets spam out of your way. And for even more control, we're introducing the ability for you to screen new senders. So your messages go from this, a list cluttered with spam and unknown numbers, to this. Unknown senders appear in a dedicated area where you can decide if you want to mark the number as known, ask for more information, or delete. Even with unknown senders turned on, you'll continue to see important time-sensitive messages, like your table is ready, or a verification code. We're excited for another big year for Messages.
To help you communicate across languages, we're introducing live translation. With Apple Intelligence, live translation can translate conversations on the fly. It's integrated into Messages, FaceTime, and phone. And it's enabled by Apple-built models that run entirely on device, so your personal conversations stay personal. For instance, in Messages, live translation can automatically translate text for you. So if you're making plans with some new friends while studying abroad, your message can be translated as you type and delivered in their preferred language. And when they respond, each text can be instantly translated for you. When you're catching up on FaceTime, you can follow along with translated live captions while you continue to hear your grandmother's voice.
Écoute ma chérie, ajoute une pincée de vanille et de l'eau de fleur d'oranger à la pâte. C'est ça mon secret.
Oh, right. Yes.
When you're on a phone call, your words are translated as you talk, and the translation is spoken out loud for the call recipients.
Hi, are you available to cater a wedding on December 6th?
Hallo, sind Sie für eine Hochzeit am 6. Dezember verfügbar?
Ah ja, Ich würde mich sehr freuen, Ihnen zu helfen.
Ah, yes, I would be very happy to help you.
This works seamlessly, even when you call someone who doesn't have an iPhone. For developers, it's easy to enable live translation for calls within your communication apps with a new API.
Let's start with Apple Music. We're making it easier to fall in love with music from all around the world. First, we're adding lyrics translation to help you understand the meaning behind your favorite songs. And lyrics pronunciation, so everyone can sing along to the music, regardless of language. We're also introducing Auto Mix, which uses intelligence to seamlessly mix from one song to the next, like a DJ, time stretching and beat matching at the perfect moment. With music pins, just pin your favorite artist, album, or playlist to the top of the library. Your iPhone will now learn your preferred routes and offer them in Maps, alongside other options. If your routine changes, your iPhone will adapt to it. And with the Maps widget, you can check your commute before you leave, so you can get an idea of how long it'll take. If there are significant delays, Maps will send you a notification with alternate route options, even if you didn't start directions. If you've ever wanted to return to a great local business or park you went to in the past, or recommend it to a friend, but just can't remember the name, we're introducing Visited Places. You can choose to have your iPhone detect when you're somewhere, like a restaurant or shop, and then view your visited places in the Maps library. Or simply search and share with a tap. Your visited places are easy to delete with a swipe and are protected with end-to-end encryption, so even Apple can't access them. Apple Wallet helps make your day-to-day interactions with the physical world that much easier. Car keys in Wallet provide an easy and secure way to lock, unlock, and start your car with your iPhone or Apple Watch. Let's talk about IDs. With driver's licenses in Wallet, we've created the most private and secure way for you to present your identity. They're currently available in 9 states, plus Puerto Rico, with more to come. While not a replacement for your physical passport, digital ID can be used for domestic travel at supported TSA checkpoints, in apps, and in person, where age and identity verification are required. And while at the airport, you'll appreciate refreshed boarding passes in Wallet, which now include convenient access to indoor mapping that gets you around the airport quickly. Find My to track your bags right from the boarding pass, and shareable live flight status, so loved ones can keep track of when you are landing. Next, Apple Pay, the easiest way to pay with privacy and security built in. In addition to using rewards and installments while shopping online with Apple Pay, you can now choose to redeem your points or pay with installments when you shop in person. Wallet is also the best place to track your Apple Pay orders. With Apple Intelligence, Wallet can now identify and summarize order tracking details beyond your Apple Pay orders. It will find emails sent by either merchants or delivery carriers and conveniently pull together your order details, order progress notifications, and more, all in one place, right in Wallet.
People love playing games on iPhone. With stunning graphics powered by Apple Silicon, the App Store's huge catalog, and award-winning games on Apple Arcade. Introducing the Games app. It starts with the Home tab, where you'll see what's most relevant for your games front and center, like updates and can't-miss events in games you're actively playing, and recommendations tailored just for you. There's a dedicated tab for Apple Arcade, where subscribers can access the whole catalog and the latest updates and releases. And over on the Library tab, you can see all the games you've ever downloaded from the App Store. You can easily jump back into the games you want to continue playing, whether in portrait or landscape. And it works great with a controller, making it easy to move from one game to the other. Next, head over to the Play Together tab to see what your friends are playing, compare scores and achievements, and invite them to play. With challenges, a new way to compete with friends in score-based showdowns. You'll find them in some of the most exciting games on the App Store. And for developers, challenges are built on top of Game Center leaderboards, so single-player games can be turned into fun competitions with friends, offering even more ways to rally a group, see scores in real time, crown a winner, and have a rematch.
We're also making it possible for you to search visually across your most used apps using visual intelligence with the iPhone camera. So you can simply point your iPhone when you want to search the Anthropology app for a cool item you spot at a cafe. We're excited for all the ways that visual intelligence will help you do more with what's in front of you. So that's iOS 26. A stunning new design, Apple Intelligence capabilities integrated throughout the system, and improvements to the apps you use every day. And it includes many more features that are going to make your iPhone experience even better.